Dear students, welcome to the course on Statistical Methods for Psychological Research Part 2. In this lesson, we are going to learn exploring descriptive statistics in SPSS. Let us look at the learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students can be able to understand the concept of measures of central tendency and their significance in statistical analysis. The second objective is to analyze and compare the measures of dispersion and understanding their implication on data analysis. To explore the concept of skewness and its relationship with location and scaling measures is the last objective of this lesson. Let us start. We begin with the first part of the lesson, in which you will learn about exploring measures of central tendency. Before we are going to discuss about the measures of central tendency, first we have to explore procedures. The explore procedure. Before we are going to discuss the measures of central tendency, we have to get clear idea about the explore procedures. The explore procedure produces detailed univariate statistics and graphs for numeric scale variables and for entire samples or subsets of a sample. It can also be used to access the normality of numeric scale variable with special inferential statistics and detailed diagnostic plots. Here we can see the SPSS procedure for to getting the explore procedures. Here under the analyze menu, you can click descriptive statistics, then click explore, then you may get the beautiful results for exploring statistics. Measures of central tendency. Single value that describes the characteristics of the entire data. Such value is called a central value or measures of central tendency. It has three different measures. The first one is mean, which is the average for the given data. The second one is median. The median is the number or average of the numbers in the middle. It has divide half of the numbers below and half of the numbers above the midpoint. Mode is the most repeated item or the number that occurs the most. Mean, it is the average. Suppose we want to calculate the average for 7 women in a gender and feminine psychology study are aged 52, 55, 56, 58, 59, 56 and 57 years. We have to use this formula, which is x bar equal to summation of x divided by n. Mean, first add their ages together, which is equal to 393, then divide by the total number of women in this study. Here the total number of women is 7. Suppose we divide 393 divided by total number of women by 7, we may get 56.14. Median. Median is the midpoint of the value. Median is known as the midpoint. It is the point that has half values above and half value below. If n is odd, the median formula is value of n plus 1 by 2th item. If n is even, the median formula is value of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2th item. In the same example, suppose we want to calculate the median. First arrange the data into numerical order, either it may be a highest to lowest or lowest to highest. If our total number of observation is odd, here n plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 8, so 8 by 2 4. Here fourth item is 56, so the median value is 56. Similarly, we can find out the mode. Mode is most repeated item. Here 56 is repeated 2 times, so the mode is 56 here. Important points to remember. When calculating measures of central tendency measures, we have to get clear idea about the extreme values. It will affect the mean. Suppose here the mean value is, for this observation, 2 plus 4 plus 5, 7 plus 7 plus 10 divided by the total number of observations 5. We may get 35 divided by 6. The mean value is 5.83. Suppose instead of 10, the observer wrongly entered 100, then you may get 125 divided by 6. So, we may get the 20.83 as a average. So, the extreme values will affect the mean value. Observed results. Arithmetic averages sometimes give results which are absurd or unacceptable. For example, in 5 families, the number of children is found to be 2, 3, 4, 3 and 5 respectively. The average number of children in the 5 families comes out to be 3.4. Here, for interpretations, use round off values. We may use 3 only here. Dear students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned descriptive measures with mean, median, mode and how to interpret these results in your research. I hope you will be enjoyed this video. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.